Etie for Maminda Muna Masi and Fambra a channel Yusubium. Aha, a Nimdia news. Your mom authentic news. Etie for news and can soda and a headed bram. Dan Dina in some embebre and echosu. Say enchina abaton I then edrusu. Sebebrina a then a sorry echosu or memhano. Etie for a brain to mangibre, name caught in some day or honor.
Put me bo video. Sabedi me phone ma wa betimi abo.
Betimi abo.
Ade wo mugu police. Chebi Southern Command Eastern Region. Omo de omo court remand ne. Nene nansa Ghana Armed Forces ni small scale task force. Kalem say for omo chi omo ni na free voter ni na me catch on omo free voter omo ye togolisi for.
Galamsey for
almost a free voter. That's why no because of free voter. You know voter for almost yesterday way.
Nano yagal.
I'm telling you 2 days ago.
By intensify.
Apart from the almost war, Pristia who valley near Memphis. I met me a bomb with the actual mamma fret Pristia for no say Akosi Seno. Almost answer Abeche and then answer. Bako me ma una Bemansu and I go back and say, oh, be better way Bemansu Minsu. Angels. Me de be forwarding.
Ena omo chi omo efri omo so omo free.
Ena omo bo omo penye odi omo baaye. Penye omo de baaye no. Sana ya freno Noah. Udu anyinema inimfo etie me. Mu wi amon bi mo phone sisia mo phone mo we ne du anyinema. Mo ma anyinamfo ni na amfa. Noah na o finance NDC no. Na now you may do Noah. You have been away. The video on the phone, so as I'm telling you now, they are going to court. And I know said they are going to parade them. The news is going to come out. The major financier of the NDC, I or no say, Abai sensuo or sensuo or sensuo and Montuntia Omo. A man for him say, or yes, small scale mining. Sana Munim say, or no coffee fa. Togo for no Burkina for no Ebegun Suso.
Ito ono na akwese sa Togo for ni Burkina for do ma be gu nsuo so
asato speedboat ama omo boat
ana omo say nsuo
na omo say nyema na omo cheche omo no ese nso oye abusia panyin no onya tumi eko task force for no say na champagne machine na masizi no car 40 of them. I can give you the small scale miners for omo general secretary cars makoma ko 40 na eko nsuo no so almost stop here no ba ho no be catch am say mo tax force no enye ha na wo say mo wo media chamfani ya media and other cells mo pa mo fe chebi sesia chebi police station mo fe mo commander phone number wa ha say producer mo beje utumi a uchesie ni phone number ha mo fe no commander Bossman mo fe sesia they have arrested 8 people with the kingpin financier of NDC in Enyinem and NDC in Eastern Region. He's called Noah.
We now work video we now can watch nana. There are some images of
Bemansu we into Remo. Aha. Omo bomb dino ensamiti here.
Johnny on Facebook no so Angel FM Kumasi 96.12 Grace TV so. It we fine
we yeah. Brim ni ona omo ni na bomb di ni na eye ekise voter di no mo na free Togo. Omo bomb di ni na enti omo na kire oni akọ di omo ba na yesi enye hankwa o say anka utie audio abede be mamu na o say na nkomo di speedboat bi o ankomo be ko na omo doso ebi wo ofin ebi wo oda ebi wo ha yesi omo tu
botai no ni said omo say nsuo no said e be ya ebeji dimbone amaban
no one nam krom we no one nam krom e ka say NDC MP for be lose election mu sensuo and omo nim say yes mosque man wo sika o NDC ba omo nim say de na omo nim say muwa nsuo mu dia no on na de omo ba eni de enyinem fo no so omo nim say yes mosque omo nim say o sika on hwe NDC ba na omo nim say we mo ena board din ono baku we fe ni JJ and assemblyman tu ne dwadwane omedwane and na na you me do no ye no the non NDC financier in the Eastern Region no ono ɛna ɔmadwo nti wei sɛ ɔadmitiɛ ɔmo nyinaa admitiɛ no mo bɔ mu din nti ɔmo te hɔ no mo kudɛɛ ɛna ɔmo kɔkye shamfam ɔmo kyerɛ sɛ shamfam machine bi wɔ hɔ koraa ɛɛba mako 40 ɛba nsuo no so efisɛ na ɛba nti ɔmo kɔkye yɛ no ɛna driver no frɛ na anyimadu sɛ ɔmo akyi mi o nti ɔbaa yɛ no so ɔyɛ ebusua ɔkanananom ho nti no ɔde no cover up nti ɔbaa yɛ no ɔyɛ akeka bi nsɛm ɛwɔ sɛ mo wɔ ha yɛ kuro yɛ masase yɛ sɛɛsɛ na nkɔfo no sɛ masa okwa ya chill ɛna ɔmo de handcuff go ne nsa ne video so wɔ ha mame ɛmfa mbɛ yɛ anima kwa no so nie ayi sɛm ɔyɛ nyinaa no ankosi aga ɛno na ɔmo chill na ɔmo sɛ ɔmo sɛ masa okwa ya chill.
So you think says galamsey fight when na e bro no so near me o mo hihye no ni ade ni
exactly eye deliberate yeah you think said the video be bro fa papa na e fe no na oye galamsey campaign no de omo oteche ofin omo so ofin omo crofo no bi omo so gangs omo ye 10 ofin ebi wo ho omo so oda ebi wo ho omo so pra omo wo so omo so omo wo boom omo admitting him to the police omo teacher mu be brave so they go and bring them and omo sound so a boat
speed boat
omo boat it we so be che omo no so be omo kan wa asa it omo echi champagne na omo ne che so omo bi kra champagne no bi ban so no so mako 40 and ma driver no phone number and then confront the class oh champagne na che na mo ba na ye ne ba be yi and the driver na say you drew her task force for the chain no and the driver na omo catch on kan che na say oh omo chi no wa hankofo 2 bi achi no wa onim say na nkofo no mbo 100 was nkofo 2 bi ha no o de kono and papa ne say oba obebi won makaka bensem and almost any also somuji by Yawodia. Okay. After the breaking news, Ghana has but Angel is the first one to break the news. That's why I've given you the video. I don't need to give you, but I've just given. So Obedi. Now you may do. But the day you know won't be a phone in and you know for be able to. So this man is the one only JJ. So now the security services are hunting Assemblyman and JJ. These are the people who import people from Togo to come on the river bodies. And this is purely NDC. I'm a cocktail man for someone to ask here. I say, I knew what I was saying because most K-miners for 6 months, no more Kasadi way. Say, young Shanko, forbidden coffee biba.
How was it? Tugwa. Then quickly. I had to file at the Supreme Court because I mean to mention minimum this voice one kakra. Into mean to mention na bibi in yam perfume. Enti a brother no pa. Look at the enti music can go speaker menze. Da file bibi. Na NDC phone so za work kanu. Yen shoko na yes bafado because normally say a piasumjo chamber numa. As you can hear discussions behind the scenes. Okay. And Mukre, so Mukre Honorable Amakwesiama, or second deputy speaker. The only speaker was one Kasa one come. So, Mizima Samutugano, no Hene Bassani Nano, Yebobo, no speaker Jitum the well. So was a bar, and I had no Mepede Tefuti, the speaker Nasutia on 10 years because I won't misquote him. And I would want to be very honest on the issues we agreed on. Also, so was a bar, obete, but on Capentem Umbraten. So one at the bar, yes, NDC for no was the mass of the bar because of you there, or summer one can keke. Look at Chendo, no, because when the bailiff for no Waba or no, or cost serve one legal directorate. Or a parliament legal directorate. Intimation form. And I know the bailiffs, with legal directorate, where Barokita called someone sinister. Then this on the other Zintina, one serve also a director of legal, any other colleagues was won't receive because or your brother. Other brother was ever. Well, don't know can. Now, if you Chide Okushia. Speak and sana. So quickly, and I'm afraid director of legal and one fa. Fortunately for me, me na ma mention ko speaker no wa na me hu da no so fi speaker hoba. Na me bi send there e ba zinti na 1G service no we yi ma no. So me cross speaker no back. Me cross speaker ho back no. Na me send there Mr. Speaker. No banda na I won coffee was ama order dem on G your friend and court process no so yeah them not no as Chief Justice was elected to be there for the purpose of ensuring sanity in the service of court processes on parliament and parliamentary staff and parliamentarians, you know, 17 on Mondays. Into legal directory for consulting. And okay, though, so them notices are no won't comply with Chief Justice no directive. Now, written in trend, keeping the next day, the next Monday, meaning a full week. Now, Mr. Speaker, I say me, mentasi papa, o Sunday. Say you go chamber no. Na surprises be bad. Na you can then also I shouldn't worry. And I hear emphasis. Also, I shouldn't worry. There wouldn't be surprises. He's not going to be in a rush. At least I have made him aware that there's a court process. Into the measure about Chief Justice. Now, waji a direction be so whether there a abazintina bibi damoho na still court bailiff in the bay. And Yamin on Yani Pro, I'm a question, Deputy Speaker to Obi. Here, Bassa.
Ah, your second deputy.
Second Deputy Speaker. So, Speaker Fred, Chief Justice 3 times. 1 2 1 fa. And now, also in February, the 4th time, na Obi Fred also, my lady were meeting. Then he said, because Assembly he said, Judicial Secretary, no, you're to me a phone, so, let me so, no one number phone do. So me call Jimmy phone or no secretary because I could speak an officer. You can't go with your phone.
Okay.
So he granted me leave to pick my phone from the secretariat, and I'm a Fred, Judicial Secretary, and then Speaker spoke to Judicial Secretary. No, okay, there. Or no, my Chief Justice a friend immediately. No one on a crow. Yeah, there's a call. You a friend in chamber because now I'm broke up. Walk up a bear tour.
Okay.
Then that time, you know, I'm a question as we pay. I come in on the speaker pay. Then, just as we were about to move from his office, Harry Adruso came with his petition, notice of petition, and order 99 on the same subject matter. No, I'm copy. No, the speaker, no copy man. No, kado or serve you no notice. But there's one good thing about Haruna. All your no politics on the house floor. No surprises. He will put you on notice that the magazine or by so prepare so that we all debate it. So Haruna Zimam, okay. Notwithstanding my court process, Speaker will receive petition. What is he going to do? So I ask him that, Mr. Speaker, since Haruna didn't petition, what are you going to do? At this time, you know, around this time now, maybe send them. I said, no, no, catch him. But this is just a notice. He has to admit it first. So that will take time. Admissibility is one thing, and then after it being admitted, then there will be the requirement for another notice, so we put it on the other paper. So I understood that to mean there everything is settled, and that Speaker will wait upon the court before we deal with the matter. Then you go to chamber, and I'm meeting with the NDC one front bench. You know, they feel the Haruna will rush too much. In Choido others nation, what they were going to do was that the petition, you know, it's going to create a long process, because the petition under the 99 would mean that a committee would have to be set up on 1 year of them, and that they had gone to Mr. Speaker there on under the rules. And Mr. Speaker catch on the okay, they should try order 93. So I said there, with my understanding of the rules, you know, if indeed from what the NDC guys were telling us, because yes, we were picking, so why yes, you are picking intel. So I said that if Mr. Speaker and why there we use order 93 to ambush us, it can't work, because under order 93, you know, there will be a requirement to refer a matter to a committee if Obi make a statement. So there is no way Mr. Speaker can grant a rule on any matter. So I was well armed with this intel. But I wanted to be sure that whether or a mere room or another. Then we were on a public business. We were under to us. I am minority leader. Dr. Forsen.
Yeah.
Also, I am a multi-then this Fukade. Yaswevo. I'm catch me a chief whip there on Zima on shares obesi. Until the John, I took a say no. No, I'm sorry. But me should speak a name. My expect that speaker but stop at 2 work there. No. Za on ye. But then I realized that speaker why an adjourn. Meaning there, za NDC for work the speaker on a pod will use or the 93 to ambush Harun's petition so that he can proceed to do the thing 1 year. So I got up and did what I had to do. One, to draw Mr. Speaker's attention for Hansard. There's a court process. And fortunately, he himself admitted it.
But he hadn't been served.
Well, but your knowledge, you are on what we call constructive notice.
But once
no, please. In good faith, you are on constructive notice. Constructive notice, please. Then he is a lawyer anyway. So I asked Mr. Speaker there, you have this rate. You have told your people not to receive service because on your Monday. Then you are going ahead to hear this matter. Anyway, then at the tail end of the debate, also Obama rule on Thursday. Then I became alarmed. You've assured me that you won't do anything to disturb this court process. Then we are hearing from the NDC side that well, clear as speaker they will use another means to appear before you. Then at the same time, the order now will be under you can't give a ruling. But we are also hearing from them there was a speaker shown on there. So if they come under the 93, he will give a ruling. Being alarmed, the next day I decided to assert my rights.
The next day being Wednesday.
You know, equity does not favor the indolent.
Nothing then.
Say Erko Azibi Sorose na edida wo ho a wogi fi wonsem. Eda wo bebe godo. Until you have to be vigilant at equity. Else your complaints will be too late in the day. So what I did was to act within the law. What did I do?
Yeah, then
I directed service.
Nothing then. Yeah, lawyer friend.
Right. A direct service on any day. Nimpa na or there was 7 no any bailiff no ko na point there osumesi ni